Hi, everybody. I'm Dave from Atlantic Meditation in Long Beach, California. This week's topic is me who thinks about the future. The time in my life when I thought most about the future is when I lost my vision. I lost my vision in about a month. I don't mean a month ago, but it was in 2006, and it took about a month in which I lost about 90% of my vision. I have a really rare disease called LHON. So at that time of my life, I was working. So I was really worried about my future. I was worried, how am I going to work? How am I going to take care of myself? Am I ever going to see again? That was a huge thought for me. Will I ever see again? That was something I dwelled on for the longest time. And then we kind of coming through this meditation, I learned that thinking about the future, it's just kind of, you're not really living in the moment. You have expectations and hopes for things, but these expectations and hopes can lead to disappointments. So now, dealing with my vision loss, I am much better with that. I am very comfortable in my own skin. I do not like pity. I am a very happy man. But other expectations, other things that I think about the future are my children. I'm worried about my future, my children's future, my children's security, their happiness, and what the future would be like for them. But I'm also realizing, when I think about the future, I'm trying to control something. I am trying to control something that, sure, we can plan for the future, but it's also a complete unknown. We never know what's going to happen. So we really got to throw away our expectations, which can lead to disappointment. Our hope for things. I mean, not dwelling on that hope. That's what I mean. We throw away this expectation, but we also throw away the fear. The fear of like, oh no, something's going to happen to my children, or oh no, I'm not going to have enough money to pay the rent. But so we dwell on this, we attach ourselves to these things, and we really got to give the control to someone else. We got to give that control, that fear, and we got to realize somebody else is in control. Everything's going to be fine. When we dwell on this, we are not letting things flow naturally. We are not living in this moment that is heaven. So we really got to stop thinking about the future and start thinking about right now. Thank you, and I hope you have a great session.